Your hair is not growing because you have no good blood flow to the head region. You need extra and healthy blood flow to the head region. You do scalp massage, but more importantly, use something called Neurological One tincture and circulation tincture on our website. You want to clean your sinuses, very important, because the acids in the head region, if you don't filter them out, they will back up and affect the hair follicles. Okay, acids and mucus will also affect glands that control the hair growth. So you need to cleanse that out. So the diet has to be 100% fruits. You can add green drinks now and then, but you gotta clean the sinuses. Use herbs for the blood flow to the head. You gotta use herbs to cleanse the entire GI tract, okay, the bowels. Use enemas, okay, and then work on your kidneys, work on your lymphatic system, work on your adrenals. Very important. These are the major players for hair loss. It may not appear so, but that's the root cause of it, okay? Because if your lymphatic system is compromised, your hair is directly affected, but also the glands that control hair growth are affected as well. And if you go on the right diet and use the tinctures I just showed you, the herbs for the circulation and the neurological, your hair will start to grow, okay? You can also use horsetail tea on our website. It has silica that's going to address, give you all the silica you need for strong hair and hair, skin, and nails.